Hi, so today it's actually one of them days. I will just open and then I'll explain what actually happened on this day. But it will depend. If it's too private and personal, then I'm not. Oh, I saw something 80 2020. Okay, let's see 80 2023. Okay. Okay. In that case, I don't off on weekends. Dear Lord, please be with me. I'm stressed now because I can't go to practices anymore like I used to before. I entered a big pageant that needs my dedication. Now I'm working. I can't. Oh Lord, please hear me out. I need the job, no lies, but it's just that I don't have time. I mean, I need time. Okay, that's all actually. On this day, I actually remember what happened. Like, I was so happy that I got a job, ne? And it was in a daily. Yes, I got a job as a till operator. So my best friend was working there, and then ungitholele connection ngangena nami lapho to work as a till operator. It was a wholesale called Paradise, and then I worked there, and then bengistarta vele ukuthi kumele offer 2 times a month, and yeah, bengazi ukuthi I wouldn't have enough time to go to the rehearsals, you understand. So ngasebenza I don't know ukuthi maybe God heard me or what, and the money also wasn't really worth it, truly speaking. But it was okay, but it wasn't really nah, it wasn't worth it. When I have to think about it, it was 2K. Can you imagine? So it was 2K. We were getting paid like 600 rands per 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you get 2 weeks or a week, or a week you get paid 600 rands. So yeah, that is what was happening. You get inking again leyo so, and then after some few times I was actually forced. I wasn't even forced. They just like chased me away. They just told my friend Uguti, I need to actually stop coming to work starting from today. And then they gave me imaling sebenzele for that day. I mean, for those 2 days. And then after that, I didn't go to work for like the rest of my life. That was the last time. They didn't even give me a reason why, but they told my friend that I told a customer a certain thing that I shouldn't have told them, and that's why. Like, a customer ngavele ngayitshela nje ukuthi there's, if you like buy in bulk, you will like get a sort of a discount, and if you like buy into zama 1 then you'll be charged more. Then that's my mistake. That was the problem, I guess. I don't know if that's the truth or they had a certain reason behind it. I don't know, but they told my friend Uguti that's the reason. So yeah, that's actually how I got fired. So it wasn't nice.